In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 12 Pro. The XPPen Pen Tablet Monitor is a versatile and high-performance device designed for digital artists and professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a screen size of 11.5 inches, it offers a vibrant and detailed display for your creative work. The tablet features 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, providing precise and responsive input for accurate drawing and design. It comes with a passive pen and an active area of 256.32 mm x 144.18 mm, allowing for comfortable and intuitive use. The tablet is made of ABS material and has a sleek and modern design. It has a USB interface for easy connectivity and is certified with CE, EAC, FCC, and KC standards. The XPPen Pen Tablet Monitor is a reliable and efficient tool for digital art creation, offering advanced technology and features to enhance your workflow and creativity. Number 2. GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON Graphic Tablet is a versatile and user-friendly device suitable for digital artists, designers, and engineers. With a screen size of 10.1 inches and 8,192 pressure levels, it offers a responsive and accurate drawing experience. The tablet has a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, providing detailed and precise input for your creative work. Made of durable plastic material, the tablet has a sleek design and compact dimensions of 360 mm x 240 mm. It features a USB interface for easy connectivity and is certified with CE and EAC standards. The GAOMON Graphic Tablet is compatible with various devices such as laptops, PC computers, and MacBooks, and works seamlessly with popular software including Photoshop CC, Krita, Illustrator CC, and more. Whether you are sketching, drafting, or designing, this tablet serves as a reliable and efficient drawing board to enhance your creative workflow. Number 3. GAOMON S620. The GAOMON Graphic Tablet is a compact and versatile device designed for digital artists and professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a screen size of 4 inches, it offers a clear and detailed display for your creative work. The tablet features 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, providing precise and responsive input for accurate drawing and design. Made of durable plastic material, the tablet has dimensions of 211 mm x 174 mm, making it portable and convenient to use. It comes with a USB interface for easy connectivity and is certified with CE standards. The tablet uses passive electromagnetic resonance pen technology and includes 4 express keys for quick access to functions. With a working area of 165.1 x 101.6 mm and a sensing height of 10 mm, the tablet offers a comfortable and intuitive drawing experience. It has a report rate of 266 pps and is compatible with Android 6.0, Windows 7, and macOS 10.12 or above, making it suitable for a wide range of devices and operating systems. The GAOMON Graphic Tablet is a reliable and efficient tool for digital art creation, offering advanced features and compatibility to enhance your creative workflow. Number 4. XPPen Star G640. The XPPen digital tablet boasts a high-resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI and a compact active area of 6 x 4 inches, offering precise and detailed input for digital artwork and design. The tablet, made of ABS material, features a USB interface and is powered by a USB 5V supply voltage. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a battery-free stylus pen, users can enjoy a natural drawing experience. The device is lightweight at 400 G and has a sleek dimension of 190 x 162 by 8 mm. It supports Windows July 8, 10 and higher, as well as macOS 10.10 and higher, making it versatile for different operating systems. With certifications such as CE and FCC, this black-colored digital tablet from XPPen, originating from mainland China, is a reliable tool for digital artists and creators. Number 5. BOSTO Graphics Drawing Tablet. The BOSTO 12 HDA graphic tablet offers a high-quality digital drawing experience with its 11.6-inch IPS HD screen, providing vivid colors and clear display. With a 258 by 145 mm active area, 1366, 768 resolution, and 16:7 color depth, this tablet delivers a large, detailed, and abundant display effect. The battery-free pen with 8,192 pressure levels and 25 ms response rate ensures precise and natural drawing, while the 2 custom function buttons enhance convenience. The tablet is compatible with Windows 7 and above, macOS 10.11 or above, and comes with practical accessories like pen nibs, a nib remover, a cleaning cloth, and more. It features a tilt stand for comfortable drawing angles, foldable full metal stand, and tempered glass for improved precision. Suitable for various applications such as illustration, design, animation, and online education, the BOSTO 12 HDA graphic tablet is a versatile tool for artists and designers of all levels.